Good morning to one and all. A very warm welcome to the first edition of India's first energy festival, EnVision 2022. As the rains lash into Chennai this year, I am reminded of our monsoons the last year and the disruption it created in spite of it being only a moderately heavy rainfall season for Chennai standards. Such climate-related extreme weather events are on the rapid rise across the world, causing irreversible damage. Today, there's almost unanimous consensus that climate change and greenhouse gas emissions is one of the most pressing problems of our time today. I reckon we've reached a point where we can now say that we are the first generation to feel the real effects of climate change, but at the same time, may also be the last generation that can do something about it. The IIT Madras Research Park has taken up this challenge head-on and aims to put India on the map as one of the leading forces globally in this fight against climate change. Through our partnership with the India Energy Storage Alliance and this energy conference, we aim to bring together the best minds across industry, academia, and students to not only provide a platform for dialogue and discussion, but also to serve as an opportunity for collaboration between the stakeholders, which will be key in accelerating the shift to net zero future. We have designed this 3-day conference by identifying and dividing thematic areas based on their timeline for commercialization. Year timeline, and this will include technologies such as renewable energy generation, energy storage systems, and enhancing energy efficiency. Day 2 will look at technologies that are ready to scale in the 5 to 10 year timeline, and this includes electrification of mobility and transport, green hydrogen, and the decarbonization of cement and steel sector. Day 3 will then focus on technologies which require major R&D today so that they can scale in the 10 to 15 year timeline. The final day will also have a session on climate financing, where we look at what are the elements that will play a key role in funding this energy transition. The EnVision Energy Festival will end with an EV parade, where we will showcase some of the technology solutions that we have dreamt, designed, and built within this IIT Madras ecosystem. I take this opportunity to also invite you all to go on a tour of the research park to see just how we have been able to turn some of these dreams into designs, and then more importantly, to take these designs to help solve some of the biggest challenges of our time today. I'd like to close by sharing a snippet of a recent article that was published just last week, calling the research park the incubator of dreams. And if that is so, then we are all gathered here today at the theater of dreams. And I truly hope each of you partake wholly in this very real experience, and once again, welcome you all to EnVision 2022. Thank you.